Hi there, Chris Kenny here, and welcome to Money Monday. I wanted to take a minute and talk about big investments because I think one of the keys to my success, I can say for sure, is the fact that I have made some significant investments in my business. And I've done this on multiple occasions, so I wanted to take a minute to tell you about how I go about that. And when it feels heavy and it feels stressful and I'm, a little bit worried about it and all that stuff. And you know what it is? It's I trust my gut. That's the main thing that I do. I try not to make those decisions from my head, and I make those decisions right from my gut or from my body because I feel like that's where my intuition really resides. And anything that's up here in my head is very ego driven. And ego is going to be conditioned to keep you where you are rather than to have you move forward, because the ego is your current sense of self. So therefore it doesn't want to be disturbed. So I trust my gut. And I also remember that, if this opportunity has been presented to me now, then I'm worthy of it now. Not like 6 months from now, not in a year, not when I feel worth it, or not when it feels less scary. If it's been presented to me now, I'm worthy of it now. So those are the two things. If it's been presented now, then I'm worthy of it now. And then I check in with my gut, I check in with my body, not with my mind. And that's how I can make the decision to move forward. I'm Chris Kenny, and we'll see you really soon.